The next is a paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, and this is related to science and technology. This can also be used, the information can also be used in governance, paper 2, and this also can be used in paper 1, geography, and mainly for disaster management. This is now in Patna, the Google was with the help of Central Water Commission on a pilot project mode was running AI based flood detection and alerting system, okay, for flood affected areas. The Google was running a project in Patna so that the people can be alerted prior to the flood. Now if you see, annually 23 crore people are affected by the flood annually. In India, the figure is around 5 crore. That is around 20% of the global community affected by the flood. Now this AI based flood detection and alerting system, it uses satellite to create high resolution elevation map, and the behavior of flood water is studied using this high resolution elevation map of the flood affected areas via simulations, and hence an alerting system is being developed. So very important for disaster management, for geography, all right, and for governance issue, AI based flood detection and alerting system. Thank you.